Do you hear that? That's the sound of your door automatically unlocking as you return home. Introducing the Bosma AEGIS, a new smart home door lock, which locks and unlocks using your phone's Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, and automatically locks when the door is closed. In fact, this lock will alert you if your door is left open, doing so without the use of an external sensor. The Bosma AEGIS is one simple and versatile piece of hardware. Your physical keys will still work fine, but this lock does a whole lot more. Pair it with the Bosma Sentry Snap-on fingerprint scanner, and you can even unlock your door with the press of a finger, or unlock your door from your phone while you're away. It's easy to share access with your family members and grant temporary access to your friends or guests. And with the activity history, you'll always know who's coming and going. Complete with unbreakable AES 128 encryption, no one gets in your home if you don't want them to be there. Easy to install in a matter of minutes using only a screwdriver, the Bosma AEGIS is made specifically for the standard US deadbolt, ideal for renters who may not be able to alter their door's locks. You hear that? That's the sound of peace of mind. Bosma, simply better.